Hi, I'm holistic nutritionist Karen Roth, and I want to welcome you to the beach. And I thought it'd be a good time to talk about vitamin D, because the vast majority of Americans are very low in vitamin D. And vitamin D can be very supportive when combined with at least 200 milligrams of calcium for bone support. The most natural way to get your vitamin D is from the sunshine, but that can be very challenging because it depends on many different obstacles. One could be the pigment of your skin, the other could be the time of year, what part of the country you live in. So the best way to get it is to have half your body exposed to the sunshine. As you can see on a day like this, I'm not. It's kind of chilly, so I've got a sweater on, I'm wearing long pants, so I'm not going to get much vitamin D today from the sunshine. And getting your vitamin D from the food you eat is very challenging. For example, in a 3-ounce fillet of salmon or mackerel, it will only deliver 400 IU, and most supplements start at 1,000 IU. The standard reference ranges for vitamin D is 30 to 100, and it's measured in units of nanograms to milliliter, but that's only in the US. Measurements are different in other countries. Many practitioners believe that 50 to 100 is a more optimal reference range, but the way to start is by going to your physician, getting a blood test, and finding out where you stand. And then based on that number, your physician can recommend a dosage of vitamin D that you may have to take. Standard ranges is usually 1,000 IU to 4,000 IU, but you really won't know until you get your blood test done. And the more that we stay in our offices, in our cars, wearing body care products that are infused with sunblock, the more likely we're going to be deficient in vitamin D. I want to thank you for joining us today for this video, and I hope you learned a little something about vitamin D and get that tested.